Taught across 8 modules and created by e-learning specialists, this course will familiarize you with the CISA designation and everything it covers. You will start with an Introduction to Information Systems Auditing before moving on to the specific elements included in the CISA exam. You'll learn about the 5 job practice domains of CISA and how they fit together. Once you begin training, you'll have access to over 20 hours of learning material. This course offers everything you need to prepare for and pass the CISA certification exam. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.